In this video, we'll demonstrate how to integrate QRadar in the CyberArk Audit Service. Let's start by creating a service account. Set the status to is service user and is OAuth confidential client. Next, we'll create a web app for the OAuth authentication. Under the Custom tab, locate the OAuth 2 server and add the web app. Give the web app an ID and a name. Configure the settings according to the documentation, including the general usage, tokens, and permissions. For tokens, clear the check next to implicit and check client creds. We'll grant access and view permissions to the service account we created. Click Advanced and add the script form the documentation. Click Scope and add the scope. Click Save. Next, go to the IBM App Exchange and search for and download the CyberArk app. Open the IBM console and go to the Extensions Management, where we can load the integration of the audit service. Click Add and select the downloaded zip file. Scroll down to Log Sources so we can configure the audit integration. Click Log Sources and then click New Log Source. Choose Single Log Source and search for the CyberArk Audit. Click Step 2. Search for and choose the Universal Cloud REST API. Click Step 3. Give the log source a name and search for the CyberArk Audit Custom extension. Click Step 4. Specify the log source identifier. For the workflow value, navigate to GitHub and locate the XML file that contains the audit workflow. Copy the XML file into QRadar. For the parameter value, go back to GitHub and find the parameter file located next to the workflow. The parameter file contains all the information about the tenant of the audit service and allows us to establish a strong connection. Configure all the parameters properly and then copy it into the QRadar configuration page. Click Step 5. Let's test the configuration and verify that we've configured everything according to the documentation. Click Finish when the test is complete. The CyberArk Audit Service is now integrated with QRadar. To see the events populated in QRadar, go to Log Services and locate the CyberArk Audit integration. Select it and go to Events. For this demo, we'll take the date range back 1 day because that's where we generated some of our events. Click Update and see that the events are being populated. Thanks for watching.